Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot sequences to automate follow-ups efficiently step-by-step clearly. To enable HubSpot sequences for automated follow-ups, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales dashboard from the main menu. Locate and click on the Sequences option under the Automation section. If this is your first time using sequences, you may need to set up your email template. To create a new sequence, click on the Create Sequence button. Begin by selecting a template or starting from scratch. Add personalized tokens to your email to make it more engaging. Draft a compelling subject line that prompts the recipient to open your email. In the body of the email, write a clear and concise message that outlines your purpose. You can also add follow-up emails by clicking the Add Email button. For each follow-up, ensure that you maintain a friendly and professional tone. Adjust the timing for each email in the sequence based on your preferred follow-up strategy. You can set delays between emails to space out your follow-ups appropriately. After completing your sequence, review it for any errors or adjustments needed. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to save your sequence. To use your sequence, go to your contacts profile in the CRM. Select the Start Sequence option from the drop-down menu. Choose the sequence you've just created from the list. Review the details and ensure everything is set correctly. Click Start to initiate the automated follow-up process for that contact. Monitor the progress and response rates of your sequences in the dashboard. Adjust your sequences as needed based on performance metrics to improve efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.